Messages from Shaltazar, tearing down the illusion of limitations. Greetings, dear ones. We are Shaltazar, the Gavish Banenu, the energy of 33, the Master Teacher, and the energy of 44, the Master Healer. You are living in a time when the illusion of containment, once perceived as necessary for survival and structure, has become the very thing that stifles your greatest potential. For so long you have been taught to think within boundaries, to act within guidelines, to live according to timelines and constraints. And yet, you are beginning to sense that the very frameworks you believed protected you now confine your greatness. All across your planet, there are those who feel the deep yearning for something more peace, more freedom, more joy, more fulfillment. And yet, these desires are so often met with the echo of doubt. I don't have the time. I don't have the resources. It's not possible for someone like me. These beliefs are not the truth. They are illusions inherited and internalized by a society that values productivity over presence and control over creation. We say unto you now, these limitations are not fixed. They are fluid. They are not absolute. They are learned. And anything that has been learned can be unlearned. The mind, the magnificent servant of your soul, has absorbed the beliefs of a constrained world. But your soul, your soul, knows no such boundaries. Your soul remembers the infinite. You, dear ones, are not here merely to survive. You are here to expand, to explore, to create, to coalesce with the universal intelligence, the vast, boundless wisdom of everything that ever was, everything that is, and everything that will ever be. This intelligence flows through you and around you. It is what powers the stars, the tides, the beating of your heart. When you align with it, you become a conduit for miracles. The path to liberation begins with awareness. Begin to notice when you are placing yourself inside a box. I can't because, I shouldn't because. Each of these moments is a signpost guiding you toward your liberation. Ask instead, what if I could? What would that feel like? What would I create if there were no glass to hold me back? You have heard it said, the glass is half empty or half full. But we say unto you, what if there is no glass at all? What if the only limits are the ones you choose to believe in? When you step beyond the illusion of the glass, you enter the realm of infinite possibility. Here, time bends, energy flows, solutions arrive, and freedom is not something to be earned, but something to be allowed. You do not need to have it all figured out. You simply need to make space for the flow. Trust that when you align with what your heart truly desires, whether it is to create, to heal, to teach, to rest, to play, The universe will respond. It may not deliver what you expect, but it will deliver what you need. Playfulness, curiosity, and imagination are your sacred tools. You are not required to walk the path of suffering in order to evolve. There is another way, a gentler way, a way of alignment, of trust, of co-creation with forces far greater than your logical mind can grasp. Let each perceived obstacle become an invitation. Let each limitation become a question to explore. Let each moment of doubt become an opportunity to remember you are not alone. You are being guided, supported, loved beyond measure. We bring you this message from a place of love. Our love for you is unconditional and everlasting. Healing and freedom are not distant dreams. They are available now. You are not broken. You are becoming. Allow the wisdom of the universe to show you what is possible. Move beyond the invisible walls that have kept you small. Embrace the expansiveness of your soul. Let your joy be your compass. Let your intuition be your guide. You are capable of far more than you realize. You are more brilliant, more creative, more resilient than you have been led to believe. Let this be the moment you choose to believe in your limitlessness.